Hey guys, it's Anna, and I am here for your quick tip of the day. And I'm not in my car because I actually have the day off and I have a webinar to do in the next hour. So if you're not registered for that webinar, I'm going to share the link below this, but that's not what this video is about. It's just conveniently an hour before my first webinar today. So today's tip, there could be multiple reasons, but one reason why your Facebook group may be struggling is that your members may be confused. They may be confused about what is expected in your group, what is expected of them, what to expect from you. Go ahead and look at your description of your group. Take a look, and if you are an outsider looking in, do you see an expectation? What do I expect as a new member in this group to experience over the length of time of being in the group? Not just the first jump in there. Like, what am I going to experience the entire length of my time in your group? Take a look at your description and adjust it accordingly. If you're struggling with what that vision is, then there's your next clue. Sit down and picture the vision, the purpose, what you expect your group to look like. Because if you don't know what they look like, or if you don't know what to expect it to look like, you won't be able to pan out or create that experience for your members, okay? So it really starts with what the expectations are in the group and if your members even know what they are. Okay? Start there. I hope that helps. I'll be back again.